In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Telegram link on Facebook. Sharing your Telegram link can be a great way for your friends or followers to easily connect with you or join your group. Let's dive into the simple steps you need to follow to make this happen. First, you'll want to have your Telegram link ready. This could be the link to your personal profile, a group, or a channel that you want to share. Make sure it's copied to your clipboard so you can easily paste it where needed. If you're unsure how to get your Telegram link, you can find it by opening the Telegram app, navigating to the profile or group you want to share, and looking for the option to copy the link. This is usually found in the settings or information section of your profile or group. Now, let's move over to Facebook. Open your Facebook app or website and log in to your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, you have a couple of options for sharing your Telegram link. You can either post it directly to your status or send it via Facebook Messenger. If you're posting it to your status, look for the status bar at the top of your news feed. Click or tap on it to open the text box where you can write your post. Simply paste your Telegram link into this box. You can add any additional text or description to give your friends more context about what the link is for. A short message might help encourage them to click on the link, especially if it's directing them to a group or channel with interesting content. Alternatively, if you want to share the link with specific people, you might choose to use Facebook Messenger. Open a conversation with a friend or a group chat where you want to share the link. Just like with the status update, paste your Telegram link into the message box. You can hit send, and your message with the link will be delivered instantly. Remember, sharing links on social media is a powerful way to connect with others, but always make sure you're sharing responsibly. Consider the privacy settings of the link you're sharing, especially if it leads to a private group or channel. You want to ensure that only the people you intend to invite are able to join. And there you have it. You've learned how to share a Telegram link on Facebook, making it easier for your network of friends to connect with you on another platform. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.